guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Beth. If you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also click that bell so you get that notification every time I post new videos. So I am very excited for this unboxing because I will be unboxing with you guys two limited edition Kirigami sets. So at the moment, I'm very much obsessed with my Monogram Pochette Kirigami. The large one in particular, I use it as my grab and go bag. I love using it when I have to go somewhere quick or I need to do some errands. I can just grab it and then go. The nice thing about it is it fits my essentials. It doesn't fit much since it's really small, but it does fit ones that I really need just to go out somewhere quick, or even if you go out for a date night or whatnot, you can use this one too. And you can also use this one for like formal events, dinner parties or whatnot. Actually, one of the limited edition Pochette Kirigami that I have already unboxed. I used it for a wedding that we just attended and it was amazing. I love it. I love how it looks. It matches the dress I was wearing. So if you guys are interested in my limited edition Pochette Kirigami unboxing, stay tuned and watch. So like I said earlier, this is going to be an unboxing of two limited edition Kirigami. One I have already opened, but you guys haven't seen it yet, so I'm gonna reveal it to you. But the other one's actually a true unboxing. I haven't opened it yet since I got it from my SA. So without further ado, let us unbox them. There's two sets. One I ordered online when I saw that it became available. I made sure to grab it because when this was first released, I wasn't able to get it. And I tried calling client services and they said it's no longer available anywhere. I was so surprised when it became available. Can't remember exactly when that was, but I made sure to grab myself a set when I saw that it became available. For some reason, it became available. I'm not sure why, because this was, I think, released early this year or late last year, something like that. But that was the one that I opened up, and the other one I ordered from my SA. And just in case I want to sell the other sizes or I want to give it as a gift, I requested my SA 2 individual package. So here is the one that I got from my SA 3 boxes, since there's 3 in a set of Kirigami Pochette. And here is the receipt. Which one should we open first? Big, small? How about we start with the small one? I think the smallest one, I'm going to be keeping this one because I really love the small one. And it's so cute. You can use it as a card holder, or you can use it as a mini wallet as well, or a coin purse. So here it is. Here is the one. There it is. Oh, this is so cute. Look how pretty that is. This is from the Giant Monogram collection. I think they have incorporated the small monogram and then the medium one and then the giant one in this collection. So here is the white one with I think the print is black. Let's open it up. So the inside is like a cream color or a beige color, and here is the textile card and the SKU sticker. So that is the code M67600 Giant Monogram Kirigami set. I'm not sure if this is still available online, but I did pre-order this with my SA. Here is the second one. This is going to be the medium-sized one. Here it is. It's upside down. Look how pretty that is. So cute, you guys. I've read somewhere that the medium one actually fits around 5 to 6 passports altogether. So that is pretty cool. Here is the inside. The inside is the same color as the outside of the medium one. Like I said earlier, in this set, they incorporated a miniature or really tiny print, and then the medium print, or I'm not sure if this is the regular size one, but a medium one, and then the third one will have the giant print. So let's go ahead and open the third one. Here is the large one. So here is the large one, you guys. That was so nice of my SA to actually individually package them. So here it is. It smells good. And there it is. Look how pretty that green is. I don't know if I really like so much that the front is just flowers and then the LVs on the back. If you want the LVs showing, you'll have to hold it like so, because if you're just holding it here, it's not really that obvious that it's an LV clutch or an LV bag. I don't think that really matters because we know that it's LV. So yeah, that is so pretty. Let me go ahead and open this up. So it has the same interior as the rest of the giant Monogram Kirigami set. Unlike the original Monogram, they have different interiors for every single one of them. But this one all has the same. That is so pretty. Hopefully the print wouldn't rub off every time you use it, but yeah, this is so cute. So now let's go ahead and reveal the other one, since I have already unboxed this one. This was the one that I bought online. It has Louis Vuitton on the box, and here is the item. Unfortunately, they were packed all together in one box. So here is the inside. It came with a perfume sample, which is the newest one that they have, the Afternoon Swim. I've actually tried this one already because my SA sent me a couple of samples of this one, but when I tried it on, I felt like it is a little more masculine than feminine. And here is the set, you guys. This set is just too beautiful. I really loved it. I used this one in a wedding that we attended, and it is just the prettiest thing, at least for me. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I got. I was able to get the Catogram Pochette Kirigami. So the Catogram had two prints. One had all black and the other one had the white, the brown, and I think a black. But this one is the black set, which is exactly what I wanted when this first released. It took a while for me to really decide during that time because I didn't know if I really liked the cats and the dog prints on my bag. I don't have either of the two as my pet, but I really love the black and the whites on this print. So I got it, and I love that interior. Look how beautiful that interior is. It almost looks like the orange Hermes color, and it's so cute because the inside has some prints in there. There's a lot of mice, and also the signature of whom Louis Vuitton collaborated with for this collection, which is Grace Coddington. I didn't even realize that there's actually a cat on this corner of the bag. That is so cute. So let me show you the details of this one. So there's a cat over here, and there's a head of a puppy, and then there's another dog, and here is a dog bone. That is so cute. And it feels like, I don't know how they printed this one, but it feels like it's embossed because you can feel that it's much higher than the actual canvas. So I don't know how they did that. Hopefully it's not going to peel off or whatever. And look how beautiful this back is. I know it's all cats, but I just love the simple details that they did with the bag. And like the one in front, this is also embossed, so you can feel it protruding. Not really sure if you guys can see it protruding, but yeah, it is protruding from the actual canvas, and it's so pretty. This was the one that I used for the wedding that we've attended, and I was wearing a black dress, and it fit perfectly with what I was wearing, and I loved it. I really loved it. So the next ones is here, and the smallest one is inside this bag. So just like the other one, it has the mice there and also her signature. And the detail of the medium one, it has a black dog in here, and then a face of a cat, and then a cat laying down there. And on the back is another chest with a puppy. So that is such a beautiful detail. This one you can actually use as well as a clutch. I've seen some people put chains in here. You can actually put the chain, just like hook it underneath the flap, and you can just use this one with a small chain and use it as like a small shoulder bag. But yeah, that is so cute. I love it. And of course, last but not the least, this one has the least print, I think. So the details of this one is it has a bone here, and then there's the puppy, and then the bag, there's two cats goofing around on the back. So the inside still has all that mice with her signature. And here is the textile card and also the SKU sticker. So the code for this one is M67447. Not really sure if you can still buy this one because this was actually sold out already. But then for some reason, it all of a sudden popped. I think it was sometime around the end of April that this actually became available, which is weird because the date code of this one is SP4178. So that means this was made on the 47th week of 2018, and they were just releasing it around April. So probably they were trying to hoard it and then release it. I don't know. I could only speculate how this all of a sudden appeared on the website. And I feel like there was a number of these ones released because it was available for a few days before it actually became sold out. There was a point where it became sold out, and then I checked again, it was available again, and then now it's completely sold out. So this is it, you guys. These are my limited edition Kirigami and also the giant monogram one. But out of the two, I think this is by far my favorite. It's my favorite color, black, and it has the cutest print, and I just love the combination of the white and the black and the beautiful orange interior of this one, which is very reminiscent to Hermes. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my limited edition Kirigami unboxing. I'm super obsessed with this one. I don't think I'm going to be parting any of the Catogram limited edition Kirigami that I have because it's just the prettiest thing ever. This is so perfect because it actually matches the color of my Monogram Eclipse bum bag. I will definitely be using these two in my Monogram Eclipse bum bag, and that one I'm also obsessed with. So yeah, that is it for now, guys. That was my limited edition Pochette Kirigami unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. If you guys have not seen the video of what fits inside my large Pochette Kirigami, I'll put the link in the description box and make sure to check that out. Bye!